Welcome back to another vlog. It is exactly 1 week until Christmas now. I cannot believe, actually 1 week until Christmas Eve. I'm so sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself. Either way, I can't believe it. It just always seems to come so fast. But I just got home. I came home for about like 30 seconds, changed, and then went to therapy. I saw my therapist today. Haven't seen her in about 2 months, so that was good. She said it was a really good session, so I'm doing all right. But anyway, update on all that shipping stuff that's been going on. One of the things that I was having issues with just arrived, so that's good. Another one went from saying that it was gonna arrive the day after Christmas. Now it'll be here Christmas Eve, so that's good. It just shipped out. The other thing we took care of yesterday, and then another thing, actually, no, I did have 4 issues, I guess. But the thing that is the biggest issue is something that won't even be here till tomorrow, and I have to send it to Arizona very soon. So I'm gonna be paying a crap ton of money to ship my sister and my nephew's presents because it's gonna take a while for them to get there and they need to get all the way to Arizona. But that's what's been going on today. Other than that, I just got home. We're gonna have some burgers and then we are gonna go take a look at some lights at this one house that's pretty close by. Not exactly sure where it is, but somebody had shared it on Facebook, and it's a house like in my town somewhere, and they have their whole entire house, whole entire yard completely decorated, and they created this like walk-through path that like people can go to, and you know, it's open until like 10 o'clock or something, and you know, the public can go to it. So we're gonna see if that is worth checking out. So I will check back in a bit. Yeah, go show me.
Say Trina.
Come show me. Come show me. What is it? Oh my gosh, you guys. I love it so much.
Purple. Purple.
Yeah. Where'd you make that at?
Here.
Oh yeah?
It's mistletoe.
I love it. You guys did so good. All right, change of plans. We are gonna go down and watch the Christmas ships come in. And my mom is being a little diva over here. She didn't want to walk on the bare floor, so she was wearing socks and flip-flops. It was pretty funny. All right, you ready?
Ready.
Hello, girls.
Hi.
Gonna watch the ships?
Yeah,
Look at, do you see Bella has a coat on. Addie does not have a coat on. Anthony has shorts on.
Oh my god.
All right, guys, let's get going. We have to take another second to appreciate yet another festive Christmas
One of my
dress.
friends today said if you had a hat on, you'd be a sexy Santa, and I was like,
You're like, all right, never wearing this again.
female, so.
Oh.
Warm. Careful, careful, careful.
So we are in a very heated debate. So what did you just call me?
A boomer. A B-O-O.
Okay, boomer.
So apparently anybody over the age of 29
That's what Jose
are all
said.
boomers.
What?
Jose
You said-
doesn't know anything.
You said people over 29 are boomers.
Yeah.
No, that's what Addison told me.
Oh!
So apparently I'm a boomer, even though I'm nowhere near the age range
And what are
for the year being born. I am on the cusp of being, I think it's a Gen X and a millennial. I'm an older millennial. Thank you very much.
Somebody's in. You wanna go? No, stop. Don't come here. Hold on to me. Chugga, 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 chugga. Yeah, 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 yeah,
See, we're gonna watch the boat. We're gonna see the Christmas boat. Are we gonna see the boats? Come on, let's go look at the boats. They're gonna come down soon, or that way. That's cool. That one is a leg lamp, and that is so freaking cool. Alright guys, say bye-bye to the boats. Alright, it is that time of night once again. I am just finishing up editing my vlog. About ready to head to bed. I am so exhausted, and it was so cold out there that I sat in the shower for so long, and like it was so just hot, and it was great. I did not want to get out, but I am exhausted. I'm so sorry. Alright, I'm gonna hurry up and I'm gonna go to bed. Thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.